Your attention span isn't broken, it's been stolen, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it back. Here's my challenge for you. Try to watch this video in full screen. No skipping. And if your mind wanders, just notice it and come back. That moment right there, that's already part of the solution. Because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover why everything you've been told about fixing your focus is backwards, and what actually works. Look, I get it. You've tried the apps, you've deleted social media for a week, maybe you even bought a timer, and you're still here, still scattered, still feeling like your brain is a browser with 47 tabs open. That's because you've been treating the symptoms, not the disease. Your attention isn't weak, it's been weaponized against you. Every app, every notification, every autoplay feature is designed by teams of engineers whose entire job is to make sure you don't look away. You're not fighting a lack of willpower. You're fighting a billion-dollar industry. But here's what they don't want you to know. You can reverse this, not with discipline, not with shame, but with a few deep strategies I'm about to show you. Step 1. Create friction where it actually matters. Right now, distraction is frictionless. One tap, one click, and you're gone. So the goal isn't to quit apps. The goal is to interrupt automatic access. If something gives you dopamine in under 2 seconds, it shouldn't be instantly available while you're trying to focus. For some people, that means deleting social apps from their phone and only using them elsewhere. Not forever, just removing instant access. If you already work on a laptop all day, the rule changes. Separate work mode from consumption mode. Different browser, different account, no saved logins. Anything that forces a pause, because the moment you have to decide instead of react, focus wins. You're not trying to stop using these platforms, you're just making distractions slightly annoying. And that's enough to buy back hours of deep focus every single week. Step 2. Anchor focus to physical sensation. Most people think focus is purely mental. It's not, at least not at first. Focus is anchored in the body far more than people realize. Athletes know this. Musicians know this. You're about to know it too. So instead of saying, I need to focus for an hour, do this. Make the first 3 minutes physical. Before you start, engage your body in a clear, noticeable way. Push-ups, a plank, stretching, standing and taking 10 slow breaths. It doesn't have to be intense, it just has to be physical. Why? Because your nervous system needs a start signal. When your body shifts state, your mind follows. That physical sensation becomes a bridge from distraction to deep work. Step 3. Kill the open loops. Here's why you feel unfocused. Your brain is quietly tracking unfinished business in the background. The text you didn't answer, the email sitting in drafts, the idea you're afraid you'll forget. These are open loops, and they drain attention nonstop. So before you do anything important, take 2 minutes and dump everything out of your head onto paper. Not a to-do list, a brain dump. Every loose end, every thought. Once it's external, your brain can finally stop babysitting it. That alone will make your focus feel sharper, instantly. Step 4. Reverse engineer your environment. Stop trying to be stronger than your environment. You'll lose every time. Instead, design your space so focus is the path of least resistance. Put your phone somewhere that requires you to stand up to reach. Keep water at your desk, so just grabbing water doesn't turn into scrolling. Use one tab, one task, one window. Your environment should make distraction annoying and focus more automatic. Here's the real secret, and it's not perfect focus. It's catching yourself drifting 10 seconds faster each time. That's the game. First week, you catch yourself 5 minutes after opening Instagram. Next week, 2 minutes. Then 30 seconds. Eventually, you catch yourself mid-reach for your phone. That's not willpower. That's awareness. And awareness is the hardest thing to hijack. So the question is, are you willing to take it back? If this helped, test it. Try these steps today and pay attention to what changes. Your focus is waiting. Go get it.